Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Little Mama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how to make $100 a day by just using free tools, and you can make some fast money online this way. So let me get started with this method. Alright guys, so I am back. I am on Fiverr. So Fiverr.com is actually a place where people go to find freelancers to get things done for them. Now, you could be a freelancer yourself and offer logo services, okay? And why I say this is because I have 3 free tools you can use to make logos with. And the free logo makers that I will give you definitely can be used for any logo creation that you will make, because one of them is really freehand, so you could really customize it for your clients. Now, if you can take a look at Fiverr.com and check out logos, these are all the people offering logo services to other people. Okay, now you have, more complicated logos, some simple logos, and things like that. But look at the amounts people are charging. It's charging anywhere from $35 to $165, and these are, they're not complicated. Look at this one. It's not complicated stuff that you are going to be doing. And this is just the starting prices, guys. If you go into any one of these gigs, you'll see that that's just the basic price. And you can even charge standard $115 and premium $160, okay? So there are 3 packages you can offer your clients, so you can start small and then build up from there. And you can see it's very active. This person has 17 orders in queue. That is a lot. So even if you're looking at averaging probably $100 a day, $100 per order, this one has 17 orders in queue already and has over 200 people rating. That means there's a lot more people ordering from these guys. So this is definitely a way to make fast money online, guys, and it's working for people, or else they wouldn't be having ratings like this, okay? That is just one marketplace. I'm going to be showing you 2 others, okay? So you're going to have lots of opportunities to make money with this method. So let's look at the free tools first, okay? So the first free tool I'm going to show you right here is freelogodesign.org. All you got to do is punch in the company's name, because usually they will provide you with the company name, and then you can pick the category that they're in. So let's say I own a restaurant and I want you to do a logo for me, and it's called Super Tacos, let's say, okay? And it's going to be a restaurant. Let's see if they have a restaurant, food and drink, and let's get started. And this is going to be pretty quick, guys, because they have a lot of templates that you could check out here. Look at this. There's 14 pages. So you could just start with one of these, and you could browse which fonts you like or what you want to start with. Or you could just start like fresh on your own. You don't have to go with one of these. But let's say for this example, I'm just going to choose, let's say, this one. But I didn't want the image. I need to change the image. So if I want a different icon, I just gotta go to add icon, and I'm going to see if they have anything for taco. They got tons of stuff for tacos. So I could just pick any one of these taco guys. One of these tacos for my design, and just add that. So I could just delete this one and add this one. So it's just a bunch of drag and drop, really. So look at that. That one image took a few things to, so I could put it on this side, actually. It fits better like that. And then you could just change the color to the one that we were using, and kind of like that. And basically, this is so customizable that it'll definitely be unique and original, okay? So once you have the logo that you want, then you save it. And yes, there is a charge component to it. And if you're doing this for business, you definitely want to use one of their paid plans. So if you're just designing for website usage, you can just use the free and you could charge people, you know, a lower rate. But if they want actually printing quality and a high res quality, then you will need to charge them a higher rate, and maybe that's where the $100 come in, and then you can buy this one and still make your profit. Okay, so you could download it and enter your email. You could get a use of this, or you could just basically crop it yourself right now. You could do a screenshot of this as well right now if you just do the low res, because they're just but you do want the PNG, so that's probably a good idea to give them your email so that you can get the PNG file. Meaning PNG means that you could put the Super Tacos logo on anything with a transparent background, so that this can go on any background and it'll still show up completely like that, and have the background see-through. So if you don't want that, then you could just do a screenshot, then you just have the white background for your client. So that is just one way of doing it. The second way of doing it is going to Canva at canva.com. You click on templates, go to all templates, and you get to this page, and you click on logos. And here on the logo page, these are all the different templates that you can use. And again, depending on what your client is looking for, there is a huge variety of different types of logos that you can create here, and you just follow the templates for this site basically. Okay, now the third logo maker is this one. This one is at Logo Maker, as the way they spell it here, one word and then .com. So logomakr.com. And if you could review this video when you first get on the site, that'd be great, because it's less than 5 minutes and you'll learn how to use this software really quick. But all you gotta do is basically choose your little icon that you want for your logo. So let's say I was doing tacos. It has all these taco icons again. They're all very similar icons like the other place, but I don't think I see the exact one from the other place. So they are different, guys, okay? So let's say I get this one, and then you can add text. So Super Tacos. And then you can just play with them to see how big. All right, so I'm just doing this as a sample. And then you can change the color to what you want. And then this taco, the icon can also change as well, I think. And so forth. So you can just customize it however you want. And then here, then you would just click save on the top right corner. Of course, they will offer you a high resolution file, and that's going to cost money, but you can also just do the low resolution file, and then I could download it right away. Okay. So that's how you would use this one. But again, you should watch that video so you can see more of how it works. But once you get your so those are the three tools, and let's go back to the marketplace, because I said there's two more places I was going to show you. Okay, so the other place I was going to show you is freelancer.com. So freelancer.com, it's like Fiverr.com. Okay, you could sign up as a worker or as somebody who wants to hire. So you would sign up as a worker. I want to work. And you could browse the jobs here and type in logo and see what comes up. This is freelancer.com, if I didn't mention it earlier. Sorry, guys. But here you could browse what jobs are available right now for logos. So need a logo design for a new IT business. That's $24. Here's a logo for radio, and that's $50. So you can start here to build up your portfolio. You can use whatever you've designed for these jobs as your portfolio, and you can add them to your Fiverr profile as things that you have done before, okay? And so this is a marketplace. Look at this one. Oh, but web design, you may not know web design, but there's a lot of logo creation that you can do for other people here, okay? So the third place I was going to show you is Upwork at upwork.com. Here again, you can sign up as a a talent, a freelancer, or you can sign up as somebody offering jobs, okay? So as somebody that is looking for a job, then you could click here and look for jobs and then type in logo or logo design or anything like that, but logo is sufficient. Here you gotta look for maybe not at the expert level because maybe they want other things that the free tools will not give you. So you may want to look at intermediate level or beginner level. I did see some that are like that, but they have good pricing on Upwork, as you can see. $100, $150, $30 to $55 an hour, $250. There's like so many different opportunities, and there's 5 pages here for that. Okay, so as soon as you can get more experience with this method, then you could get better at it and then add to your portfolio on your Fiverr. And the more the samples that you can give people, the more they will order from you. And you can actually maybe offer a free service for others so that they can just go through your Fiverr, but you're going to, let's say, tell them that you're going to reimburse them because you just want the process to go through so that you can get some initial ratings. So you're going to offer them a free logo in exchange for an honest rating of your work. And then that's how you can get started to get ratings on here. So look at when you're a pro verified person on Fiverr.com, you could really charge a lot more money. You can really make this to be a full-time thing if you want, but it's definitely a side hustle that you can do and make fast money online this way. But you are trading time for money using this method, because once you stop working, it's not that you're going to keep earning from the work that you did before. So you are trading time for money with this method, but you do get you do make money a little bit faster this way. So, but if you're interested in making money any time of the day and making money over and over again from the work that you've put in, then that's something that I do, and maybe you want to check out what I do in the second link in the video description, guys, so that you can learn something that is even better than this. So do this on the side and collect some money, earn some money, then, because you're going to need some money to learn the online skills that you need to really earn online consistently, automatically. It's systems that you got set up that can do the work for you, because it's going to be a business model that you don't need to be providing a service to earn money with this business model, and it's really, really awesome. And I've been using this business model since 2016, so go check it out. It's the second link, and I hope you like this video, guys. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. I come out with videos all the time, but I have no idea when they come out. The schedule changes all the time, so get notified, okay? So I hope I see you on the next video. Bye.